Hello, welcome to our video sessions How To with PlayBox Neo. In a series of short instructional clips, we will show you how to set up and utilize different modules and workflow scenarios using the new PlayBox Neo Suite. Simply starting by clicking the icon on your desktop. The interface is launched in a web interface from where you can access all of the sections and set up your ingest, use the multi-viewer with alarms, set up different servers, input-output options, and so on. So please keep an eye on the upcoming videos from the How To with PlayBox Neo series.